Hey, what's up, Kishu holders? So, exactly, my brother, the very huge pump is coming soon now, and congratulations for all of you, my brothers. To expert says to upcoming time, Kishu result is gonna be very good now. So, let's see, my brother. We completely update you, and also, my brother, we predicate this coin video technical analysis, and also at the end we share opinion, my brother. So, this video is going to be very important for you, my brother. Kindly subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification because ABS Tech channel will guide you, update you every time. This time, my brother, I will open you, my brother. You can see here the last 3 days chart, but absolutely, my friend, you can see here this chart is very VIP because you can see here there is very good knowledge, my brother. First of all, if you can see, my brother, this time the fails of this coin, my brother, you could see here last 3 days. You can see here after June 4, you could see him over there. They will fails down to July 7 now. Sorry, July 4 to July 7 now. This time you can see here they fails down, but after July 7, my brother, you can see here it's mean to last 24 hours. They will starting moving upward. So first of all, congratulations, my brother, in the current condition also very good now. The same time, my brother, absolutely they will moving upward now. If we check out just in only the last 24-hour chart, then we better understand. Yes, absolutely, my brother, you can see here in last 24 hours the change occurred positive plus 0.34% is in the profit now. So this is very good news for all Kishu holder, and if we predicate this coin, my brother, then absolutely this is very important. So let's predicate this coin. So my brother, prediction is very important because, my brother, we understand to upcoming time can there is a chance so they will move upward or not. First of all, as you can see, my brother, every coin is moving in this circulation to after a fails they will take a jump, and after a jump they will fails down. You can see here, my friend, this circulation is continuously go on, and at the end time, if you can see, my brother, the arrows is moving upward. So that's mean, my brothers, too, the very huge pump is coming soon now. Yes, absolutely, in last 24-hour chart you already, my friend, see it, and the chain occur positive now, but the current condition is very critical now, my brother. You can see here, sorry, the last 7 days minus 24.17% they are lost, but I hope they will recover it again. I hope, my brothers, they will, when they hit this point, I hope they will recover all the loss and they will give you a profit. So that's all, just in only possible at the end of month. So just in only we need to hold and wait for the end of month, especially for a new investor. This is very important, my friends, to you hold it. So hold it. I hope they will give you a good profit. See you next time. Please like this channel, like this video, and subscribe this channel.